Lega yashobora ngu okukozesa embazi ey'okufuuhirirwa ebihingwa etarukumanywa amakorero gayo kiresereho enjoki nyamwingi okucendeera nezimwe okufa okuruga omu myanya yazo. Nashobora ngu hashemerere kugira ekyakorwa okubaasa kurebeka ngu ebihingwa na n'ebikooko byabaasa byona okubaho omu myaka egiina n'emyaka erukwija.
Climate smart sustainable agriculture. So this is part of agricultural production. So to me this is very visionary to ensure that we promote apiculture, aquaculture. That is the best way we can make use of our resources for generations to come. Now the bees are not only important for money that we get, we are supposed as a nation actually to conserve bees and multiply them.
Buri muntu yayitungira ebihumi 5 ebyenjoki buri 10 kiri kugurwa empiha emitwari 15 mu shilingi ya Uganda ebibasize kuba nebikorwa aba Hoima District Local Government. Yashaba abantu bekyanga ekyabunyoro okujwakirira okutunga enjoki n'okuruga omu by'okufuuhirira emibazi ahanjoki ahizukuba ziri oteireho ahizukuhangarra.
District local government and commend them and call upon other districts to see what Hoima district is doing and they learn and duplicate, because this is the sustainable way of agriculture transformation for our economy and our people.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katano habwa district ya Hoima Uthmani Mugisa Mubaraka yagaruramu amaani abagoboro mu ntebe kanseje ngu okukozesa enjoki okwitunga nekija kubahwera okurwanisa obworo n'obukene kandi babase n'okwetungira esente habwokuba obwoki n'okukundwa benji. Yagaruka kushobora ngu ebihumi ebyenjoki nibija kuhweraho n'okushohoza ebindi ebirukozesebwa omukora za kando hamwe na n'ebintu byingi. Bamwe ombagobora mu ntebe kanseje basima Hoima District Local Government habwokubahereza ebihumi ebi barukushobora ngu ogu n'omugisha omuzari ogurukwija kubahwera okuteera orutambwe omu by'entunguuka n'okunogoshora empiha habw'amaka gabo kandi obwo baherize kureba akatare akabategereize okuruga omuri ebyo biraruje omu njoki zabo.
Yakigobora muno abo kuba tukubara ngu omuzinga gumu guno kusaba kutuukiya ekiro 2 okatonda akaga ekiro otulukya emiliyoni 1.5 omuzinga gumu
kasita mukama akowe kataha kurungi ebyabiba biterekereye kandi nyo winyikaire ndi mulwaire wa sukali ntaina maanyi baitu obunyatandikire kurunda nanywaho mukakwire naba somehow strong ati mwadi bwangu buli mu myaka yange ebikuru yene.
Gasha kwa Gada asaba habwa Tayari West.